What's that, Aid?
Thought that would work. We're having problems with the door.
Looks like we're locked out of our room. Kickflip, dude, that was so sick.
I know, man, I know.
Yeah.
I'm Sean Black.
We made it. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to today's vlog. Today is Tuesday, June 11th, and we are actually in California. I'm here with Davonte and his family. We're going to be here until Sunday. So yeah, we're just hanging out, having a good time. Enjoy today's vlog. Do it! Do it! Oh! Oh, take that, haters. Oh, snap.
We got a couple of seconds to talk about these guys and share.
There's a car in the store.
Well, hey, it's a friendly game. How about you figure that out?
He likes it. What is it, sir?
It's a gold Vista GTA.
So sick.
We almost stole that.
Totally.
Where do you want to go, sir? Got it, yeah.
Got a video of that.
How cool is this restaurant, bro?
Ice cold.
Ooh. Goodbye, Betty. You were good. That restaurant was definitely an 11 out of 10. It was so good. On a scale of 1 to 10, how good was Hello Betty? Stop singing every time I ask you a question. Davonte,
What?
answer my question, dude.
What was your question?
He sings every time I ask it. How was Hello Betty's?
That was good.
It was good. One out of 10.
1 out of 10?
No,
That's terrible.
I mean, out
I
of
gave
10.
it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
I gave it an 11 out of 10, so I win. So basically right now, we are actually in Oceanside, California. We came here yesterday, there's the ocean. We came here yesterday, I'm with Davonte for the week, and we were hanging out. We're actually staying on the Marine Corps base. We're staying on the Marine Corps base because his mom was a Marine. So we're just hanging out for this week. We're here till Sunday. But today's been awesome so far, just pennyboarding around, cruising. I think we're just gonna keep hanging out. This is his OCD folding bag. Look at this, guys.
You mean rolling?
Rolling. Oh my goodness. That's a t-shirt. This is pants, swim trunks. Fun fact about Davonte, he loves to sing, and it's like really older songs like Rockin' Robin and stuff. That's actually our friendship theme song. But so in every clip he's just gonna be singing like
We shall never be born at all. Oh, really?
Oh, yeah, so we have a reservation coming.
Nah, it's okay.
Two things. One is to check the room.
Let's see about this.
Alright, made it to the pad. Now it's time for the beach. Hang this, man.
Hey.
We only skateboarded for 5 seconds.
Whoa. Whoa.